Hey everyone. So let's talk about something pretty amazing. What actually happens to your body, like on a deep biological level, when you just stop eating sugar for 2 weeks. And I'm not just talking about losing a few pounds. We're talking about a total system reboot. All right, let's dive right in.
So let me just ask you this. What if you could totally change how you feel, how you think, and even how you look in just 14 days? I know, it sounds like a pretty bold claim, right? But the science behind this is so powerful. Let's break down exactly how it all works, starting with, well, the hardest part.
Okay, so the very first challenge is those first 72 hours. This is the stretch where most people really struggle, but it's also where the most critical changes get kicked off. You gotta think of it less like an ordeal and more like a short but totally essential first step towards a major upgrade for your body.
I'm not gonna lie, these first 3 days can feel pretty tough, and there's a fascinating reason why. Imagine all the tiny little machines inside your cells. They're literally having to change their entire fuel system. They've been running on one thing for years, and now you're asking them to switch to something completely new. That's a huge shift.
So what you're actually feeling, it's called sugar withdrawal. See, every time you used to eat sugar, your body would send in this hormone to push your blood sugar down, but it would often push it too low. And what does that do? It triggers more cravings. It's a crazy, vicious cycle. When you cut the sugar, you finally break that cycle, but your body, well, it protests for a little while with some really powerful craving signals.
But listen, you don't have to just suffer through it. And that's the good news. You can actually support your body and make this way easier. Taking B vitamins, especially from a natural source like nutritional yeast, can really help ease that transition. And adding in more potassium, that supports your body in a huge way and can dramatically reduce or even get rid of those withdrawal symptoms. It makes the whole thing so much more manageable.
And let's see how this all starts to pay off, because once you get past those first few days, you hit week 1. And this, my friends, is where the magic really starts to happen. You start seeing and feeling the changes almost right away. Okay, get ready for this, because it's a wow moment for sure. In that first week, it's possible to lose up to 13 pounds. Now, let's be clear, that's not all fat. It's mostly excess water that your body was holding on to because of all that sugar and high insulin. You will literally feel less puffy and bloated.
And here's the payoff you're going to feel day to day. Those nagging cravings for sugar, they just disappear. You'll find you're so much less hungry because your blood sugar is finally stable. You know those awful energy slumps you get after a meal? Yeah, those are gone. And you'll physically notice it. Your clothes, especially around your waist, are definitely going to start to feel looser.
Now we're into week 2. And if week 1 was all about those rapid, really visible results, week 2 is about the deep, profound rewiring that's happening from the inside out. This is where those incredible long-term benefits really start to lock in.
Just look at this comparison. It's night and day. When your brain is running on sugar, it's often tired, foggy, and your mood is all over the place. But when it switches to ketones, which come from fat, it's focused, it's awake, you feel calmer, way less stressed. And what's even crazier is that ketones actually help you grow new brain cells. You're literally upgrading your own mind.
And the physical changes just keep getting better. Your skin starts to clear up. You get this healthy glow. Why? Because all that sugar was driving up the very hormones that cause acne. You'll also notice you feel less stiff with less joint pain. That's because sugar is a huge driver of inflammation in the body. By taking it out, you're just dialing all of that down everywhere.
So what is this fundamental upgrade we've been talking about? It's really about tapping into a new superpower, using fat as your primary fuel. Let's just quickly get into what that really means for your body. It's pretty cool.
You know, it's actually incredibly simple. Just think of your body like a hybrid car. It's literally designed to run on 2 completely different types of fuel.
For most of us, for our whole lives, sugar, or glucose, has been the default fuel. It gives you that quick burst of energy, but it's super unstable. It's the fuel that causes all those energy spikes and those awful crashes.
But then, there's the other option, fat. And this is the super fuel. It's a much more stable, long-lasting, and efficient source of energy that your body can tap into once you just get the sugar out of the way. Your brain and your body absolutely thrive on it.
I love how Dr. Eric Berg puts it. He says, all we're doing is we're converting your fuel from sugar to fat. That's it. This entire 2-week process is just about flipping that switch. You're simply moving over to the premium-grade fuel that your body was designed to use all along.
And the long-term wins from making this switch, they are absolutely massive. We're talking about less inflammation in your arteries, which lowers your risk for heart attack and stroke,
Your liver actually starts to clean itself out, burning off that stored fat. And your kidney function can improve dramatically, which is so vital for your long-term health.
So we've walked through the timeline, the science, and all the incredible benefits of this 2-week journey. Knowing all this is powerful, for sure, but the real power? That comes from taking that first step yourself.
So, after seeing how your body can literally reboot its own energy systems, sharpen your mind, and boost your health from the inside out, really, the only question left is, are you ready for your own transformation?
Ready to start your transformation? Check the link in the description for my